Hello everyone, it's Melissa with Atlas CFO. Today we are going to build a loan amortization schedule. So first we're going to get a file, and we are so lucky because our friends at Microsoft have actually built us a template already built into Excel. So I'm going to show you how to find it. If you go to File, it actually has to work. File, hello, New, and you'll see these templates. Go right over here and you'll find a loan amortization template. It'll pull up like this. You hit create, and power of television, we have an amortization schedule. So now we have a blank template and we can go ahead and fill it out for the loan that we are obtaining. Now we're going to just pretend that this is a car loan because this is kind of easy to think about, and what you would gather up is, that really long sheet that you signed at the dealership to buy that loan for your company. You would want that. It'll have your interest rate, the length of your note, the amount that you're financing, all on that sheet. I'm going to use some pretend numbers just so we can get through this schedule, and you can use actual numbers off of your big long sheet that you got from the dealership. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we have to enter is the amount of our loan. Now this may not be the amount that you purchased the car for. This is the amount of your loan. We're going to assume that it was a $20,000 loan. Next up is the interest rate. So this is showing us at 4%. Oh, you know what? We're feeling lucky. We got a 3% interest rate. Next up is the number of years that we're going to have this loan. Well, most of the time it's 5, so we'll go with 5. How many payments do we make a year? 12 months in a year, we gotta make 12 months. And then the date that we'd like to start it. So I'm gonna use today's date. It works as good as any. Next is we have if we wanna make any additional payments. Now I'm gonna deal with that actually in another video. So I'm gonna leave that 0. If we look over here to the side, you'll see that we now have a summary of our notes. So this is how much we're gonna pay each month. We're gonna have 60 payments. We're going to make actually 60 payments. And then we're going to pay $1,500 in interest. So that means the price of our car, if it was $20,000, would actually be $21,562.43. You can also fill out your lender's name, and you have built your amortization schedule because everything that we filled out in the top runs through the bottom. So it's all filled out for you. If you look down below, you'll see your scheduled payment dates, how much your balance is, and then how much you're going to be paying each month. Okay, that completes our video for today on how to build an amortization schedule. I've enjoyed spending time with you. Please check us out at Atlas CFO, and if you would like any more information on debt, cash flow, and how all that works in a business, please check out our courses and our free information at atlascfo.com. Have a great day.